Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow, vlogger. Today I'm so excited. I am going to try out something new. I am going to transform into an e-boy or an internet boy. Now, to those who don't know yet, they are a counterpart of an e-girl, a detective-based archetypal boy with signature emo-inspired style and extensive online presence. Most of them have goth-inspired fashion. They probably skate, wear beanies, chain necklaces, and have black painted nails. You know, the likes of Chase Hudson from TikTok. Now, let's transform into one. Let's go. Alright, so starting off with a bare face, I use a toner. This is just to remove some excess dirt from my face and minimize my pores. Next would be a vitamin C serum. This will help brighten my skin and lighten my dark spots and blemishes. So just massage it gently into your skin.
Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speak.
Okay, starting off with the base, I am using a Dream Satin Liquid Foundation. This is from Maybelline. Now, I haven't bought anything yet during the quarantine, so I'm just gonna use what I have at home. So just dab it under your skin and make sure to blend it well.
Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go? I just wanna know now. True now, crying getting old. Hope you free your soul. I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna.
Now for the fun part, I don't have any contour palette, so I only use my eyeshadow palette. I mix the light and the dark brown shade, and I'll just put it all over my face just like that.
Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down.
Now that I look like a giraffe, let's blend out those harsh contour now.
Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Fuck.
Now I'm just using this powder from Nichido. This will just help set the makeup, just melt in your face, and you will have a beautiful finish right after.
Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues, yeah.
Now my favorite part, the eye. So I just started off with a light brown shade and then just creating a shadow in the crease.
I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all.
And then using the dark brown shade, I just use it to create a soft liner. Now on the under eye, just do the same thing, light brown first and then go in with the dark brown. And then use a burgundy red shadow and then just blend it out.
Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny shit to brighten up a.
I also used a burgundy red in the crease just to tie it up with the under eye shadows. Now I haven't done this in a long time, but I'm using a black eyeliner. This is just to intensify the look.
know, I just wanna know now. True now. Cry and get no, cry and get no. Hope you free your soul, hope you free your soul. I might have kind
And
of
look at that face, look at that face. Now for the blush, I just used the burgundy red from the eyeshadow palette and then just place it right above your cheek area. This will just tie the look together.
Why it's getting colder when the sun come out. Might just waste away, don't know what life about.
I also used a mascara. This is just to intensify that smoky eye. And then I used a silver and a pink tone highlights just to give it a 3D effect. Now this is probably the most challenging part. You have to create a heart shape using a liner. Now you don't have to worry if you mess up, you can always start again.
Yeah. No friends of mine, no friends of mine around. Yeah. Now I'm thinking now, now I'm thinking now.
So to complete the look, I painted my nails black, but it turns out really bad and messy. I haven't painted my nails in a while, so yeah, I will just finalize the look and I will be back.